Campaign Converter Review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Campaign Converter by Daud Islam and James Kennedy, launching on March 21st at 9 a.m. EST. With Campaign Converter, you can increase your commissions 10 times by finally making campaigns that convert. You can create the perfect campaign with Campaign Converter and you get 50 done for you bonuses that you can use to transform your results. Full training on how to make them your own using both free and paid bonus pages, free squeeze pages for your campaigns are provided. So let's move to the members area of Campaign Converter to see what you get and how to make best use of this system. So this is how the members area of Campaign Converter looks like. First you will get the welcome video from Daud and James. You can also join the YouTube channel of Daud and his Facebook group, and even James has a YouTube channel and Facebook group. I will suggest that you join both these YouTube channels and the Facebook groups because they keep sharing useful stuff related to making money online on these platforms. So after the welcome video, there's an overview section where Daud will give you an overview of the Campaign Converter system, and then we move to the main training section where you get introduction to the training. Then you are taught about how to use this system using Commission Gorilla, and then there's a training on how to build a Commission Gorilla bonus page from scratch, and then there's a training on how to create a bonus page using free method, and then the next training tells you how to source PLR for your bonuses. The next training is about using the resources, and the next training in the main training section is how to promote your products as an affiliate. Then there's a resource section which has a free squeeze page section, and here's the 50 done for you bonuses. If you click on this, you can access your 50 done for you resources here by clicking on this tab, and then there's a done for you bonus pages section as well, and on clicking this you can access the done for you bonus pages as well. And then there's a conclusion video from Daud, and there are a number of bonuses that are also being offered, like the secret weapon, how to make a squeeze page, JV Juice super tutorial, the top 7 niche online, ultimate CPA masterclass, and there are a few upgrades available as well, like the Campaign Converter Pro version, Executive Club, Reseller Rights, Done For You Weekly Campaigns, and Total Traffic Fix. There are also a few unadvertised bonuses that are being offered with Campaign Converter, which are also a part of the members area. So once you make your purchase and log in, you can also access these 6 to 7 bonuses that are being also offered as a part of the Campaign Converter members area. So I will suggest that you get Campaign Converter because this can be a game changer if you are looking to make money online as an affiliate. So let's now talk about the pricing of Campaign Converter so that you have a better idea of what to pay and what to expect with each of the upgrades as well as the front end of the product. The front end of the product costs you $12.95, and with this you are provided full training on how to increase your results 10 times by making promos like super affiliates do. It comes with 50 done for you bonuses and full training on how to use them to transform your conversion rates. The first upgrade of the product is called Bonus Rights, and this costs you $37, and there's also a downsell of $17, and with this you get 100 more done for you bonuses to fast track your results. Further, you also get additional elite techniques and training to succeed as an affiliate. The next upgrade of the product is called Executive Club, and it costs you $37, and there's a downsell of $17. And with this upgrade, you put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. You get notified at least a week in advance before the launch of all new releases from Dowd. You will get a review copy of the product and guaranteed approval. You will even get 100% commissions on the front end. You get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum results. The next upgrade of the product is called Reseller Rights. It costs you $37, and there's a downsell of $17. And with this, you get reseller rights to Campaign Converter and enjoy 100% commissions across the entire sales funnel. You can sell the product as your own and keep all the profit. The next upgrade of the product is called Done For You Weekly Campaigns. It costs you $97, and there's a downsell of $47. And with this upgrade, you get sent 3 Done For You campaigns each and every week. It includes Done For You bonus pages with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you. To make this upgrade work, you need to have access to Commission Gorilla. The next upgrade of the product is called Total Traffic Fix, and it costs you $197, and there's a downsell of $97 as well. With this, you get Done For You setup of your squeeze pages. You are sent 10 super solo ads at all 25 of Dowd's membership sites in the Make Money Online niche, plus your banner is placed permanently on Dowd's 25 sites. You enjoy free VIP upgrades at all of the sites to enjoy a massive flow of traffic. The best part is that you are covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you do not get the results that you are looking for by using Campaign Converter, you can always ask for a refund within the first 30 days from your date of purchase of Campaign Converter. Now let's talk about the bonuses that I am offering if you decide to buy Campaign Converter through my link. For doing this, you just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page, and then you need to click on any of these blue tabs, which will take you to the sales page of Campaign Converter, where you can complete your purchase, and all these bonuses will be automatically added to your purchase. So let's talk about the bonuses that I am offering. My first bonus is A to Z Launch Tracking Guide. My next bonus is Commission Blueprint. My next bonus is an Introduction to Affiliate Marketing. And my next bonus is 0-hour workdays. You get all these bonuses on purchasing Campaign Converter through my link. Thank you so much for watching my Campaign Converter review. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.